Vitamin D is an essential contribution to our body. It contributes to healthy bones and muscles, prevents many diseases, such as cardiovascular ones and certain cancers, and benefits the kidney, as well as the immune system. Its deficiency can cause serious health consequences. Although this vitamin is produced naturally by the skin under sun exposure, it can also be drawn from certain foods. 1. Cod liver oil, the best source of vitamin D. Despite its unpleasant taste, cod liver oil is renowned for its quality and nutritional value. It can be ingested as a capsule, or you can find canned cod liver in some supermarkets. It is a fatty acid that supports the cardiovascular system and stimulates memory. It should be noted that 10 cl of cod liver oil is equivalent to 250 grams of vitamin D, and the daily requirement for vitamin D for a person from 1 to 70 years is 15 grams. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, trout. These fish provide valuable vitamin D intake without the need to consume much. Indeed, eating fatty fish once a week would suffice to take advantage of all the benefits that these foods provide for your cardiovascular health. It is recommended to bake or grill them. It should be noted that 100 grams of salmon contains between 6 and 23 grams of vitamin D, and 100 grams of baked trout contains 11 grams of vitamin D. 3. Animal livers. For those who do not like fish, the liver is a very good alternative, since it is the natural storage place for vitamin D. Veal liver is more advised, as it is tender and more flavorful, and because a serving of 100 grams already guarantees 2.5 grams of vitamin D. 4. The egg yolk. It is a great food rich in vitamin D. 100 grams of raw egg yolk provides 2 to 3.2 grams of vitamin D. It is better to consume, on average, 4 eggs per week, as only one would not be enough to fulfill the required amount. 5. Milk and dairy products. Cow's milk strengthens the bones and teeth, while dairy products, consumed whole, that is, with fat, are a source of vitamin D. Despite their low intake, regular consumption is very effective. 250 milliliters of cow's milk, containing 0 to 3.25% fat, yields 3 grams of vitamin D. 6. Enriched soy beverages. Enriched with water and protein, a 250 milliliters glass of any soy beverage contains 2.125 grams of vitamin D. It should be noted, however, that a natural soy beverage does not contain vitamin D. In any case, nothing is simpler than a 10 to 15-minute daily sun exposure, because the diet only partly compensates for the lack of vitamin D.